The parents have to discuss and agree. And if they cannot agree, there is one parent who is granted as the final decision maker. And that parent could have final decision making on all of the areas of legal custody or on certain select areas. What I have absolutely seen in some instances is where one parent, parent A, is granted decision making in educational, and parent B is granted decision making in medical or extracurricular. Again, similar to sole legal custody, you can have a very simple one where parent A is granted modified joint legal custody with final decision making on all issues. Or you can have it a little bit more complicated where maybe parent A has one area and parent B has another. It can look a variety of different ways. While we're on the topic of legal custody, we should talk about what does a court look at when they're deciding legal custody. And here they're really looking at how do these two parents work together? Are they able to put aside their differences and make decisions for the children? Has there been a history where one parent has just not been involved in these decisions? And so the other parent is very well versed in maybe the medical issues that the child faces or the educational issues that the child faces. If the parents consistently are able to make a decision, right, there might be some disagreement, but they're generally able to make a decision, you'll typically see joint legal custody being awarded. But in instances where that doesn't make sense, maybe the parents might be able to make a decision, but it takes them 5 hours to discuss Christmas parenting time. Maybe in those situations, you would see something different from a judge, like modified joint legal custody or sole legal custody.